Let's talk about Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Massive display. The concept image thus features a 6.4-inch display that is armed with 4K resolution compatibility. The infinity display included in the device is described as even fuller by its maker, setting up the tantalizing prospect that the Galaxy Note 9 will feature the best ever screen in a Samsung product. Certainly 4K resolution has been linked with Samsung mobiles for some time, and it would undoubtedly be welcome among many Android fans were this to finally come to fruition. Elsewhere, Geskin also imagines that a fingerprint sensor will be embedded into the display, providing an even more integrated approach than previous releases. This integration is reflected in the fact that the designer has stressed the display of the device to such an extent that the top and bottom bezels are eliminated completely. Such a design has been predicted for the Galaxy Note range previously, although Samsung has yet to go to such extremities. Nonetheless, reports are already emerging that Samsung is working on an entirely new form of display, with patents pointing to a notched display that is similar to that of the iPhone X. It would perhaps be somewhat controversial if Samsung were to continue with an integrated fingerprint sensor, though, considering that the Korean corporation knows that Apple has abandoned this in favor of the Face ID system. Facial recognition. Thus, one of the key decisions that Samsung will have to make with the Galaxy Note 9 is whether or not facial recognition hardware is included in the device. There have been few rumors from close to the Korean corporation suggesting that it is particularly tinkering with this technology, but it will undoubtedly be considering the possibility after the Apple Face ID system emerged. That's all for now. We will keep you informed about all new upcoming gadgets. Subscribe, like, share for more videos. Thanks for watching.